All right, so I am inside of the machine here and I am going to open up Playbox. I want to show you guys a little bit more on how I make a beat using Playbox. If you saw my last video, you saw me use Playbox, just some of the presets, but this time I'm still using the presets, but I actually dragged and dropped my own MIDI inside of Playbox. And I want to show you what I came up with here. So let me go ahead and play this for you. And the thing that really takes Playbox to the next level, in my opinion, is going to be the effects section. I mean, you can have all these different effects. If you go up here, you can go grain, lo-fi, can change it to ARP, strum. You have the different lo-fi, you have the filter, stereo, delay, reverb, flare, limiter, all these different effects. Just, it really takes it to the next level. So let's just say, for example, I don't want any reverb. Or maybe I want to add that reverb right back in there. So you can kind of really just dial in the sound that you want. If you want to do halftime, I mean, there's just so much you can do in order to really shape your sound. And like I said, this effects section is just, to me, is something else. You can even change the samples. So right now I have it locked so I don't mess anything up. Change the instruments, all this different stuff. Or you can even import your own samples inside of Playbox as well. And then, of course, you can always input your own chords. So you just hit this key if you want to add a new chord. You know, hit this key, basically addition it, and you can punch in your own chords. Whatever you want to do. So that is, to me, that's pretty cool. If I want to erase that, I can. All I got to do is just hit this marker here. I want to make sure these are locked first so I don't erase anything. I do clear all. So I just cleared that one because that was the only one that had notes on there. So let me go ahead and go back and I'm gonna go ahead and make the beat. But I just want to show you really the basis of how I use Playbox with this beat. So even if I have the wrong key, I can go ahead and change like the semitones, whatever. So I could even change the octave here. So it's really flexible in some of the things that I can do. So let me go ahead and program the drums here. Start off by hitting that crash cymbal. So I don't like that hi-hat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and redo it here. All right, so that was Playbox. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Also, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video for Playbox. If you want to download it, go ahead and download it. The link's going to be the first link down in the description below. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dopestatus, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and we out.